Hey girl, hey. Happy holidays, and I hope that all is well with you and yours. I've been thinking of all of you. I've been gone, but I'm back with the jump off. Okay, sis? Back with some new items that I've been picking up. Bags, of course, for all of my bag sisters. Just getting back into the swing of things. Moved over the summer, had a lot of stuff going on with work, life, just in general. I'm going to do a quick unboxing today. I'll come back with this bag to show what's in my bag, maybe in a separate video. Not sure if I get the opportunity to, because I have quite a few other items that I do want to bring out and just show some of y'all. Some of you that I've been watching on these YouTube videos have influenced me to buy some things. My husband probably hates it, but I love it, girl. Y'all keep those videos coming, sis, because I have really been influenced by many of you and went out there and purchased some things. But in the spirit of Christmas, this video, this unboxing, is something Christmassy. So I'm gonna jump into it, y'all. Love and light. Okay, sis, so let's get into the unboxing. I bought over my little box cutter and my scissors. I've actually opened this box just because I just want to peek inside of it. So no opening in that manner. This is, you may have already saw from the title, of course, a Kate Spade unboxing. I bought 3 items from Kate Spade. Saw these items and thought to myself, I have got to get these for Christmas, y'all. Could not pass them up, girl, okay? So I'll open the first one. Oh, well, maybe I should open the bag first. Yeah, let's open the bag first. Because I think the bag by itself, and let me see if the rest of my stuff is in here. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to move this out the way for a second. Oops, excuse me for hitting the camera. I'll move that out the way for a second. It's Kate Spade, as you can see. Y'all got this. Y'all can read it. But I say it again. I'm gonna tell y'all something. This that I'm doing is getting on my nerves because I don't know why that filler word is coming in, girl, and it's killing me. I don't talk like this, so let me get my life in order. Act like I talked to y'all before while I'm unboxing this package. And I'll probably pass up all of this opening. Do this real quick. But y'all, check this girl out. And I'm talking about me. This girl over here. But check this girl out over here as well, honey. Because it is even more than what I saw on the website. So, this is the Kate Spade Gingerbread House Crossbody. That's what this is. It says that its retail value is $4.49. Comparable value $5.29. Of course, this is not what I paid for her. She is still on the website, I believe. I'll tell you that I picked up this bag before Thanksgiving and the accessories, and I haven't been back out there to Kate Spade's website to see if it's still available. Go out there and check it out, but it did cost me. It's not on the back on the tag, but I didn't pay $5.59 or $400. And I'll just show y'all all the details of her. I am going to put her on the shelf. I'm going to use her. Check that out. Look at how gorgeous that is, y'all. I saw this bag and I thought, this is so gorgeous. Look at the front door, y'all. And this is like enamel. The door is leather, but the candy cane around it is enamel. These pieces are enamel pieces. Gold studs over the windows for detail. How gorgeous. I love the shingled roof with leather. Oh, how gorgeous. We turn it to the side. And you see on the side, there's windows. The back, it's the Kate Spade logo. It's gold hardware. This is so gorgeous. Do you see that the lock or the closure, kiss lock normally, well, kiss lock is the other one, right? But the closure is like a chimney. How cute is that, girl? I'm in love. And it says Kate Spade at the top. I think you might be able to see that. I'm going to sit it back down. There's my little scissors I bought over here. I don't want to cut anything. I want to be kind of careful. But I'll probably fast forward through some of this, and maybe I won't, because I won't keep y'all too long on this video. Try to shorten them up some, my videos. I have a lot of unboxing to do because I've been Christmas shopping for myself, girl. Why not? Why not? Make sure that you pick up something for yourself as well this holiday season while you're shopping. Can't nobody gift you better than you can gift yourself, sis. Okay? So, she's mine, so I'm cutting the tag off. I'm going to keep her. So it looks like there's a little glue or something, but I'll use something to wipe it off because I don't really care because I'm keeping this bag. The inside, it does open up to a beige inside. Oh, there's a crossbody strap in here, of course, because it's the crossbody bag. And it has Kate Spade wrote all over the inside of the bag. It's pretty sizable too, right? It's pretty big. I can put some stuff in here. I'm still not sure if I'm going to use her outside yet or if I'm just going to put her on my shelf with some of my other Christmas bags that I'll be doing some unboxings for. Oh, sis gotta learn how to close the closure, okay? I gotta learn how to close this. This ain't your girl's typical kiss lock. Okay, I closed it. Oh, I miss videos, but it's gorgeous. Okay, sis, if you got some questions for me, ask them. But go out there, check out Kate Spade's website, see if it's available. Grab you one, sis. If you're anything like me who loves Christmas, loves decorating for Christmas, this would be a perfect accessory to put in your bathroom. Hello. Okay, and of course, since I got the gingerbread house, this is specifically Kate Spade, I was like, why not grab some accessories? So, of course, I picked up some of the SLGs for this bag. Okay, I'm gonna open this up. Ah, look how cute! How cute is that? The little wallet matches it completely. How cute, how cute, how cute, how cute, how cute. Okay, I am gonna carry this. Okay, I can't just leave it. I have to find somewhere to go with this. Somewhere, maybe to a work party or something. Maybe we're gonna do something at work. Now the thing I noticed about this one is that this one isn't actually enamel like these little pieces are. The windows feel leather on this one too. So, but these are leather pieces here. There's the Kate Spade spade on the door. And it's all leather. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then middle card slot. I hope you could see that because I was moving fast, and it matches the inside of the bag. Super cute. Okay, okay, okay. I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Okay. And then my last piece that I picked up that was a part of this collection, I may have to go out there and see if they added anything else, was, of course, who could have a gingerbread house without the gingerbread man? I love this gingerbread man. Look at how cute it is. This gingerbread man, what I really loved about it is that it's like so big. Like I feel like this gingerbread man could probably stand up by itself, and it can. I love that about this gingerbread man. It's super cute. One of the things that I've done for my business, my bake business, that I make gingerbread cookies during the holiday season, and so I love the way these gingerbread cookies look. I love the bow tie. I think I'll put bow ties on my gingerbread men this year. I didn't do that last year. So I think this is so gorgeous with the white piping, the 3 studs, and I think these jewels are typical to some of the Spade styles. I've seen them before. The gold eyes, sizable and chunky. There's nothing on the back, but most gingerbread men have nothing on the back. And then it looks like the key chain itself. Just take that off. It's just a gold lock that matches with this. So it says $129, but of course it wasn't $129 for this little guy. And y'all, this is my haul from Kate Spade with my gingerbread man and my gingerbread house and the little wallet. And I hope that you love it, sis. Go out there and get you one. I see you girls with your purse rooms. This will be a perfect accessory for that purse room. Sis, I'm going to put it up there, but I'm going to carry this girl. She's too cute to just leave at home and not let anybody see her. So, love and light to you all. I'll be back soon with another video. Take care. Bye.